On November 30, 2022, when ChatGPT was released, everywhere from news articles to public banners, ChatGPT remained foremost. But this was just the beginning, as it reached 100 million active users in January 2023, just 2 months of its launch. Everyone was saying,
AI is far more dangerous than nukes.
but now it really is. Devin AI is the first AI software engineer released a few days ago. It has created a fear among developers because it's now a world where artificial intelligence is not just a concept, it's a reality. Today in this video, we will explore the groundbreaking technology behind Devin AI, its impact on industries and livings around the globe. Let's understand what is Devin AI. Devin AI, the world's first AI software engineer, released by Cognition Labs on 12 March 2024. It's an advanced system that can perform you everything a software engineer can do much efficiently. A software engineer can design, develop, and test software application. So the Devin AI can also do it. But wait, I am not trying to say that it will replace developers. Well, this is something that we will talk at the end of video. But now just think about Devin AI. It has the most real-world software engineering performance of 13.86% and has left all the AI chatbots and tools behind. Cognition has equipped Devin with common developers tools, including the shell, code editor, and browser, within a sandboxed computer environment. Everything a human would need to do their work. Even when Cognition assigned Devin to perform a job on Upwork, and it could do those too. Currently, Devin AI is in beta testing phase and is available to limited users by request. And to get access to Devin AI, you have to fill a form available on their official website. Let's understand the technologies behind Devin AI. There are three major technologies used in Devin AI: deep learning, natural language processing, and reinforcement learning. If I talk about deep learning, it is a subcategory of machine learning. Deep learning involves analyzing trends and features in data which allows it to understand complex data sets. Imagine you have to train computer to identify cats. You show it various images of cats and dogs, pointing out which ones are cats. Deep learning pattern is inspired by human neural system, which layer information just like neurons. Each layer extracts different features like fur or whiskers. Eventually, it becomes proficient at recognizing them even in new images. That's deep learning. While talking about natural language processing, it enables it to understand and interpret human language. This allows Devin AI to communicate effectively with users and process text-based data. Another important technology is reinforcement learning, which enables Devin AI to learn from its interaction with environment. All these technologies allow Devin AI to improve its performance over time and adapt to new challenges. While Devin AI is a utility, it has also created some fear. Since Devin AI is able to perform everything a software engineer is able to do, it is feared that Devin AI will take away all the developers' job. But in my opinion, it's just a hype created. Because such thing was also told for ChatGPT but not as such happened till now. I believe that humans have ability to perform such tasks which AI can't, such as creative problem solving, ethical decision making. But I think that it will create trouble for beginners in developing. So a beginner has to level up as soon as possible to intermediate or expert, so that Devin AI may not trouble him. At last, I would like to say that those who do coding every day, irrespective of what's the trend going in the market, and keep upskilling themselves will never get replaced. And this is the truth. If you want to know about ChatGPT revolution, I have explained this in this video. Go and watch it. If you love my content, make sure to appreciate it by subscribing my channel and like the video. Thanks.